Welcome to a new way to ride with motoDNA. G'day riders, have you ever had a scare or worse riding your motorcycle? For over a decade, motoDNA has trained thousands of riders in Australia. We've analysed all levels of riders, including learners, cruisers, returning riders, track day riders, all the way up to our former MotoGP racer coaches. We've measured how they throttle, brake and steer, where and when they use their vision, how they use their body and how they think. We then applied machine learning to these riders' behaviours, extracting their riding DNA to create data-driven algorithms for motorcycles. Now motoDNA has created the world's first motorcycle virtual coach. 100% data-driven, using a GoPro on your motorcycle. Our software analyses your riding, grades your skills compared to thousands of other riders. Then our algorithms teach you how to level up, keeping you safe but still having fun. On the journey to building our technology for use on the public road, step one is now complete as we launch our first street and track products. You can sign up for free here at motodna.academy. I hope you'll come and ride with us.